Hey guys, Leon here from Laoyat TV. Xiaomi has just released the Black Shark 2 in Beijing, China. It is the third generation gaming smartphone from Black Shark, and we were lucky enough to get a hands-on of it. So without further ado, let's just dive right in. First, the display. The Black Shark 2 sports a 6.39-inch 240Hz AMOLED capacitive touchscreen display, and it has an in-display fingerprint sensor. There are bezels, but honestly it is okay because it houses a 20-megapixel front-facing camera as well as dual front-facing stereo speakers, which are pretty loud. On the rear, it has a glass back, and of course it wouldn't be a gaming phone without some sort of RGB lighting. So not only does it have an RGB logo, the sides of the phone here also lights up. It has a dual camera setup with a 48-megapixel main camera and a 12-megapixel telephoto camera that has a 2x optical zoom. Much like other gaming smartphones, it also has a gaming mode called Shark Space, and it has a dedicated toggle for it on the side. It also has a liquid cooling system as well as other accessories that come with the phone to fully rig it out. It is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor with up to 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of internal storage. And no surprise here, it doesn't have a headphone jack. It does only have a USB Type-C port with fast charging support to a 4000 mAh battery. The Black Shark 2 comes in black, silver, and blue. Black Shark 2 has announced that the phone will be launching here in Malaysia on the 1st of April, and we'll be doing a review of the phone, so stay tuned for that. Let us know down in the comment section below what you guys think of the Black Shark 2 so far. And as always, like this video if you like it, subscribe to us if you haven't already, hit the bell to get notified of our future videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!